In this video, I'll show you how to create coupons in Woocommerce. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard and navigating to Marketing, then Coupons. If you don't see the Coupons option, go to the Woocommerce settings and enable Coupons first. Next, click Add Coupon. Enter a coupon code that customers will use during checkout, or generate one automatically if you prefer. After that, add a description for internal reference. Then choose the discount type, such as a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount. Enter the discount amount based on the promotion you want to offer. Now configure the usage restrictions. You can set a minimum or maximum spend, limit the coupon to specific products or categories, exclude certain items, and set an expiration date. Next, open the Usage Limits tab to control how many times the coupon can be used. You can limit the total number of uses, restrict it to one use per customer, or define other usage rules. Once you've finished configuring the coupon, click Publish to make it active. Finally, test the coupon by adding products to your cart and entering the coupon code during checkout to make sure the discount is applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create coupons in Woocommerce. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.